This is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today we're going to demonstrate that you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch the Settings app, then enter the Dual Cards and Mobile Networks category. In order to change the SIM preference for the mobile data, you gotta, turn on the respective toggle under each of the SIM cards. Those toggles are mutually exclusive, so if I'll turn the mobile data on for the SIM card number 1, as you can see, the toggle for SIM card number 2 gets automatically switched off. When it comes to the preference for phone calls and SMS messages, just, they have the single toggle for it, so it is called the default communication card. So in here you can either go for the smart selection, default SIM 1 or default SIM 2. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.